Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to update your vehicle on Geico's website in 2025. That's how to update your vehicle's value on Geico website in 2025. All right, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account. So you got to go to Geico's website and log into your account using your username and your password. Next, you're going to click on policy details. So once you're logged in, go ahead and click on policy details and then select the policy that includes the vehicle that you want to update. Once that's done, your next step will be to click on the vehicle that you want to update and select edit vehicle. Next, you're going to need to enter the new value of your vehicle and click save changes. So that's going to update the vehicle's value. And once that's done, you can review and confirm the changes to your policy to make sure that there is no mistakes and everything has been done promptly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next